Good morning everybody, I'm Rajita. I'm from Patni Sanitary. Patni Sanitary are authorized dealers for KajariaTiles, Hindware Sanitary and Westmark doors. So I'll introduce to all the concepts which are there in our showroom. So these are vitrified tiles, 2x4 size, which are mostly used for bathrooms, wall cladding. So these are some of the shades which I'm going to show for you all. This is Ardesia. This shade can be used for bathroom wall cladding and even back side of your wash basin. To elevate any specific area also you can use this shade. Other than that, we have got few more shades. So these are some of the new shades which are introduced by Kajaria this year. I'll just show you few shades which are placed in this rack. All these shades can be used for wall cladding, bathroom, specifically for bathroom walls. This can be used as to highlight one side of your wall and rest light as a light shade for the rest of your bathrooms. These are wooden strips, size 20 into 120. This type of tiles are usually used in bedrooms. You can also use it in home theatres and also in balconies. These are 2x2 shades available in Kajaria, and they can be used for the matte designs are used for flooring, bathroom flooring, and glossy shades are used for floorings. And we have few collection in this 2x2 shades. These are monochrome designs. And from here we have these shades. All these shades are used for bathroom flooring. Matte, they are all matte. These are 2x2 wooden texture flooring tile, and again we have got another collection of 2x4 shades. Now these are also 2x4 shades which are used for bathroom wall cladding, and the lighter shades in this are used for general flooring also, like this. As a concept, you can go for a bathroom, you can highlight this as one side of the wall, and this will be the lighter shade of the walls. Other than that, this combination can be used even for your flooring like halls, bedrooms and kitchen, the lighter version of this. So we have few shades available in this. This shade is most commonly used for bathrooms. Dark one is highlighted and the light one is light rest of the walls. And these are 2x4 size matte shades. This is 15 mm thickness tiles which are mostly used for parking. Now this is another division of Kajaria which is called PVT, polished vitrified tiles, and these tiles are most commonly used for a commercial purpose. Like it will be builders mostly builders use these tiles. In this we have got a few designs which I am going to show you now. These are full body vertified tiles. In this we have got glossy and as well as matte. And this is 2x2 matte full body. Apart from this, we also have a parking tile in this, sizing of 16 into 16. These are parking tiles. We have got few more designs in that. 400 into 400 is the size of this tiles, which 12 mm thickness. These are parking tiles, 400 into 400, Duratec by Kajaria. Now I am introducing you to the 15 mm thickness tiles which have been introduced this year by Kajaria. So we have glossy and as well as matte shades in this. That one is a glossy, little grey color glossy tile. Next, this shade is called Armani Summer. So this is Rosalia Gold. This is matte shade with black and white combination. This is another shade in grey and black. Once again Satvario. Kashmir Marfil and Dinah. Plain white. Armani dark brown. So we have got 2-3 shades in Satvario with different grains. So these are some of the shades which are available in 15 mm thickness. 6x4 is the size of the tile. Now we have got 4x8 shade also in Kajaria. I'll just show you some shades available in this. Yeah, this is Inferno Grey. Botticino. Paradise Azul. Antarctica Nero. Elegance Crema. Armadial Brown. Metro Mist. Satvario. Onyx Decor. Arbiscato. Blossoms Blue Decor. These two shades you can use to elevate your behind the TV or any specific area where you want to highlight the wall. These are wooden planks available in 1 feet by 6 feet length. These are the shades available in that. And after this we have got 6x4 size 9 mm thickness tiles which are suitable for your hall, bedrooms, mainly flooring purpose. This shade is called Arbiscato. This particular shade, I would like to say something, mostly chosen by most of the customers, classic grey. Onyx Blanco. This shade also was the most running shade in Kajaria. This is 80 by 80, 2.5 by 2.5, available designs in matte and glossy. So the next sizes are 2.5 by 5.5, available in matte and as well as glossy shades, suitable for your main flooring purpose and even bathroom wall cladding also. You got grey, beige, cream, all different shades. And next coming up with the glossy shades. Now I am showing you the ceramic division. Here we have got a different size, like even if you have a bathroom of a small size of 6 by 4, this size is suitable for such small bathrooms also. So this is ceramic tiles 2 by 1. So here also we have got few shades where as a concept you get, for example, this is a concept which can, this design can be used as to decorate one side of the wall, and the other, this will be the bottom, will be the mostly flooring for your bathrooms. And we have got many collections in this sizes. I'll just show you all the shades available in this size. This is 2 by 1. So these are some of the designs which are available in 2 by 1. In this we have got gloss as well as matte. This is satin, these are satin matte shades, and the opposite side will be glossy shades available for you. Next we have got wall cladding designs available in 2 by 1 size. Kitchen concepts. Next we have got few more collections in 2 by 1 bathroom wall cladding. Beautiful shade available in Kajaria 1 by 2, which is mostly used in bathrooms, as well as if you want to elevate any specific area like your wash basin behind. So you can also do the wall cladding like this, which is mostly chosen by most of the customers. Patni Sanitary also deals with hindware sanitary. Apart from this, we also deal with Keravit. Complete sanitary solutions are available at Patni Sanitary. We have few collections which we are showing you now. Customers shower enclosures available at Patni Sanitary according to the measurements of customer's choice. So not only this, we are also authorized dealers, as we know, as I already told you, we are authorized dealers for KajariaTiles, Hindware Sanitary, Keravit. Apart from this, according to the customer's requirement, we also source on other sanitary items like Jackware, Hindware, Coiler also. So it's a complete solution for your building requirements. Patni Sanitary. These are elevation tiles to elevate your walls. We have few more shades available in this, which I'll be showing you now. These are also elevation tiles, satin matte and matte shades, available in 1 by 2 size. And in ceramic division we have got one more size, that is 2 by 4, These shades are suitable for your bathroom wall cladding as well as flooring also. So I'll just show you some of the shades available in that. All these are glossy shades and these 4 shades are satin matte. And the next size available is 12 by 18 for smaller bathrooms. And even budget friendly for builders who wants to go for a smaller bathrooms of 12 by 18 size wall. Apart from this, all these are 12 by 18 size tiles, suitable for small size bathrooms and for builders. So this is another concept which Patni Sanitary deals. We have parking tiles which are best suitable for your parkings, and in this we have got 2 sizes, that is 2 by 2 and 40 by 40 with the thickness of 12 mm thickness, with the loading bearing capacity of 40 tons, and they are with a thickness of 12 mm thickness, suitable for your parkings. So there are 2 sizes available in this, that is 2 by 2 and 400 by 400, that is 1.5 by 1.5. All these are parking tiles, and here we have got few more shades, designs in parking tiles. And these are step and risers. These are pre-molded step and risers ready to install for your steps. Full body vertified tiles. 2 by 4 shades in double charge. Apart from this, we have got meter by meter, and we also got 2.5 by 5.5 in double charge. The available size in full body is 15 mm thickness slab with a length of 8 feet height and width of 2.5. So it is 800 into 200, 2400 mm. These tiles are suitable for commercial purpose and even residential. And one more tile is that we have got a full body vertified tiles. These are suitable for your wall cladding and also kitchen wall cladding and even platform, equal to granite and quartz. We also deal with quartz sinks and quartz tiles also, which are suitable for kitchen wall cladding and platforms. And we deal with the brand Nextstone and Hafele, imported Hafele brand. Patni Sanitary is a one-stop destination for all your home requirements, right from flooring to your wall cladding. We have covered almost all concepts in our showroom. So please do visit our showroom, which is located at pillar number 1295, Begumpet, Sardar Patel Road. Thank you.